Hey, what's going on? Bill and Abby's Box Breaks. Abby's at her mom's right now. It's been a while since I did a video. Me and my son went nuts at blowout cards, though. He bought 2 cases of Season 8 Walking Dead. He busted his off camera. He did get a 1/1 triple autograph of Negan, Dwight, and Eugene. And then in the second case, he got the exact same triple autograph numbered to 10. Talk about luck. So, and then I've got a case of Season 8 Walking Dead. I haven't opened that yet. I've got a case of 2015 UFC Chronicle, hoping for Ronda Rousey and Conor McGregor. Haven't opened that yet. And then I got 4 boxes of Game of Thrones Inflections. Blowout had them on sale for 99 bucks instead of 199. So, Abby's not a big fan of Game of Thrones. She'll probably help me with The Walking Dead this weekend, but my brother's over here. He's gonna open some with me. But here's hoping for Daenerys and Jon Snow. So I've never busted any of this one. I was getting tired of waiting for the Season 8 Walking Dead to come out, and it's never come out. So, but yeah, it's two autographs minimum, I think, per box. So pick one. 2 autos minimum. I think there's like 8 dual autographs in a case. So go ahead and open these other ones real quick. Hopefully, or maybe a Jason Momoa relic. That would be nice. But we shall see. I've been waiting and stalling. Everybody keeps waiting for me to open The Walking Dead. I've got other guys in the forum, Chris and Marcus, and everybody want me to open them up. And I've been slacking because I haven't been able to coordinate with Abby and get her over here, and she wants me to open with her. So I promise I'll get to them soon. But I gotta wait for Abby on those.
I think this is Cersei's daughter.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's yeah, Marcella. Got a Marcella autograph. And then
The one in the back is green.
this one's 4 of 75. Joffrey and what's her name? I can't even remember her name. Marjorie. And then 3 bases. Alright, pack number 2. One, 2 bases. Oh, I got a lenticular of a White Walker. And the autograph is Doria. I don't remember her character. And pack number 3. Oh, I got a sketch. Awesome. Let's see. 1, 2, and I got a die cut card. Those are all the commons. The die cut card I got is Gendry. And the sketch, Coven, it looks like is the name of the sketch. And it's the dragons flying over the fleet. See? So, alright, that's box number 1.
Wait, where?
You can just set it right there. Alright. It is pouring outside. It is, I mean, raining hard. Alright, pick one. Alright. If these are still on sale when I get my income tax in January, I might get some more. Alright, so that's a common card. My commons. Got another die cut of the Hound.
Samwar Tarly autograph.
Oh, cool. I like that one.
And And whatever
Samwell.
this one is. It's in a 20 of 75.
Ah, it's just a numbered.
Yeah,
20 of 75. Numbered.
and 3 base.
And my hit is a stamped card of Olena Terrell. Oh, sorry. Thank you guys. And then the last pack in that box. Common, two commons. Another lenticular of the harbor blowing up with the what was it, the Dragonfire or whatever, the stuff that they blew stuff up with. I can't even remember what it's called. And the witch or whatever from the Dothraki, the High Priestess. Alright, box number 3. Come on, get me a good autograph. I'll take Sansa or any of them. Alright, common. Another lenticular.
An autograph of Giant's Bane.
Oh, Giant's Bane, cool. Tormund.
Another number.
And a 30 of 75. And a lenticular looks like... Oh, it's a White Walker. It's really hard to see. It's a dark one. And my auto is the Lannister uncle, Ian Gilder. So Tormund and Samwell are the best 2 autos so far. Alright, common. Jack Gleason die cut. What's his name? King Joffrey. It's there. And holy shit.
Oh.
Daenerys Targaryen relic. Piece of her cape. Yeah, that no, it's not autographed, but that is that just paid for probably all my boxes. Because the relics are harder to get in this. Holy crap. A flippin' Daenerys. Wow. Yeah, just set it right there. I will take that. And box number 4. Last one. Which one? Alright. Want a dual autograph. Dual would be nice. Alright, common. Another die cut of Rob. I'll wait and see what you get first before I look at my auto. Is that a numbered? Nope, base. Common. Base.
Yeah. Guy from...
Oh, the trader that got
and a lenticular.
hung.
And a cool lenticular. Drogon.
Oh, cool.
The caravan.
Drogon lenticular. Common, and my auto is sweet. It's a dual. It's the Tarley brothers. So I got the whole family.
Mm-hmm.
I got Dickon, Randall, and Samwell. One more.
Oh, that's their father.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one should be something other than an auto, but if it's an auto, I'll take it. So let's see, common. 50 of 75. And, oh, I got another autograph. Same guy, Dickon Tarley, single auto. So, but yeah, I'm very happy with the Daenerys and the Samwell and the Tormund. I will definitely take that. And a sketch. So you can't beat that either. Between the sketch and the day and airs, that definitely paid for my 4 boxes. So, like I said, Blowout's got them on sale for $99.99 or $99.95 or something. So I would suggest getting them now because they ain't gonna get any cheaper. So the Lariat Steels ones are over $200 a box. But anyway, yeah, I'll be back hopefully this weekend with the Walking Dead boxes, and we're going to Pigeon Forge in 2 weeks. I'm gonna bring, I think, the case of UFC up there because the kids got cards too. They don't know what they got yet, but I got them some cards. They're technically from each other to each other because they never buy anything for Christmas. I buy them for them and then give them to them. So, but I'm making them wait until Pigeon Forge. So, anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.